Hey everyone, it's Bella from mergerdata.com, and today I'm going to be walking through some dashboards that were created for a client just to show the different metrics and features and use cases for the dashboards. So the first dashboard we're going to look at is a missed call breakdown dashboard. So I have it pulled up here. The title here is Missed Incoming Calls. And on the hand side here, we have different metrics or ring groups. And for this client, incoming calls go through different ring groups and then are routed to different agents. And so each number here represents the number of missed calls for that period. And then in the following period, it shows the percent change for that period. You can also filter the dates here. So instead of this one, it just looks at last week's data. But if we want to look at, we can do the last month's data, and it'll take a minute to load here. So here I have pulled up the dashboard filtered by a date range of last month. So we can see that the periods are going to start with December 1st and then go to the 2nd, 3rd. So instead of having the periods be by each week, instead, because we're looking at the last month, it's going to be by each day. So one thing I want to point out here too is at the bottom we have a total count number for the number of missed calls in that period. So for example, on December 1st, all of the missed calls across all metrics, the total was 36. And then on December 2nd, the total was 6 missed calls across all metrics. This dashboard can be helpful for looking at different trends or identifying different patterns for missed calls, which can help improve resource allocation or staffing needs, or training needs or opportunities, etc. So some questions that can be answered using this dashboard are: which metric has the highest or lowest number of missed calls for different periods, depending on what you want to run your analysis on. So those are just a few questions that can be answered or looked into more using this dashboard.